Hi. Oh, hi. Come on in. I'm making some Y seams. Do you want to see it, how I do it? I'm trying to make this kind of cute little small 8-point star. And now I have to set in the square right in here. So this is a Y seam. I'm going to fold my star in half. I'm going to pull it back. Notice how I nicely open right here. And now I'm going to go ahead, take my square, put it right over just like this. Look at this, just like this. And I'm gonna go ahead and start sewing. I love to take my pin, slide my pin towards the fold. Do you see? I'm gonna open this so you see it. Towards this fold back there, and I'm gonna put my pin so it gives me an idea where the fold starts. We do not want to sew over the fold. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead, set my sewing machine, and I'm gonna start sewing nice and gentle using my 1/4-inch seam allowance. I come to my pin. I'm gonna start paying attention where the pin is because I don't want to sew over. I'm gonna go ahead, pull my pin. Now do a stitch back. I want to lock it. I'm gonna cut my thread. Look at this, and look what I'm doing. I'm gonna take this. Those two pieces are together. This we just finished sewing. I'm gonna flip the star to the back. I'm gonna align myself on this side. Do you see? Align myself on this side. This is gonna be a beautiful little 8-point star. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead, go to the exact same point that I just finished. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna make sure I put 2 stitches forward. Okay, I lift myself, go back again because I want to lock that stitch. And I'm gonna go ahead, keep sewing just like this. Nice. Oh, this is gonna be wonderful. Let's cut it out and see how our little Y seam, look at how nice this come out. Do you see it? Do you see it? All that I have to do is trim the little threads. And now from the back, push, push, press with my finger, and voila, I have a Y seam. This was so simple and so much fun. I hope you try it. Don't be afraid of Y seams.